Let Franco Vlog from Let 14 Vlog. Last June 3, 2024, I received an email from your team that's my channel has demonetized due to Rio's content. That's why I make this video to explain in your team. My channel has a different type of content such as baking, cooking, tutorial, explore, travel, goodbye, music, and my vlogs. Some needed cover as very use. I believe in legal sovereign that protects our legal rights to use in portion in legal material without any information of original owners in as I know as aspect different one.
And now, what I use in making video is only cell phone. The editing tools and apps for editing my video is CapCut. For me, CapCut is inconvenience for editing my video. Now, I show you how to editing my video. This is the area making this video.
Seeding this video and feedback my monetization and ads. Thank you.